Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Vanguard 57 error in League of Legends. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it. Make sure View By is set to Category, then click Uninstall a program under Programs. Scroll down to find Riot Vanguard, right-click it, and select Uninstall. Confirm when prompted and wait for the process to finish. Next, open the League of Legends client. You should see an Update button. Click it to reinstall Vanguard. If you don't see the button, close and reopen the Riot Games launcher. Before restarting, open the Start menu, search for Services, and open it. Scroll down to find VGC, double-click it, set Startup Type to Automatic, click Apply, then click the Start. If the issue persists, search for Registry Editor in the Start menu. Navigate to key Local Machine, then Software, then Microsoft, then Windows NT, then Current Version, then Image File Execution. Look for Dev Override Enable. If found, double-click it and change its value to 0. You can skip this step if the file is not there. So that's basically how you can fix Vanguard 57 error in League of Legends. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.